Hi everyone! Today we are making carrot Moroccan style. You just clean up carrot, peel it and steam it or boil it, depends to what you like. I steamed it here with some broccoli, cauliflower that I had, and when it's done or while it's cooking, put some extra virgin olive oil, the best you can find because that's what you will taste, and warm it up. Chop some 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, add it to the pan, um, and cook it a little bit until it's for kind of golden brown, but don't burn it because it will taste bad. And to this pan add some salt, ginger, paprika and cumin. If you don't like the color of paprika, you can skip it, that's an optional. And if you like heat, you can put chili powder. I have small kids, so I don't put chili powder, but it tastes better with some heat. So here I put salt. It's better if you reduce the heat to not burn the garlic. Paprika, cumin, and ginger. Ginger give it a good taste. Okay, mix just for the flavors to combine and bring the taste up a little bit. Add parsley, chopped parsley, and then add the cooked carrot, and that's it. It will take you like 10-15 minutes total cooking, and it's an amazing side authentic dish that you can add to anything. Usually we serve it cold or warm, depend to what you like, and it can last in the fridge for up to 3 days. So it's all good. You can make a bunch and serve them as a side dish every time you wanna eat. And you serve it in a plate, and bon appetit. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the button like, because that will help my video, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.